Update sa aking garden. This is a Prezzemolo, basilico. Ito lang yung tanim ko. And then the other side. Anyway, ito yung kamuti, guys. Medyo namatay. Pero mabubuhay pa ulit. So, wala pa akong tanim dito. The other side, I have their plant. Kamatis, talong, zucchini, at may ano pa ba yun? Pepperoni? Yeah, pepperoni. So, I cannot come there for now, guys. Because my slipper is not for the lot. Do you see, guys? A lot. Oh. You know, I put something here for vitamins. Ay, what vitamins? Yeah. My dog. Now is 7:30 p.m. So very early. Kasi guys, we need to cut it. Yeah. Yeah, this is our place here. This there, the garden. My garden is there, guys. There. So, for now, I'm lazy. I will show you guys when my garden is, it's come. Malaki na yung halaman. So, we're back in my kitchen. Yung makalat kong kitchen. Ito. Tingnan mo. So, nagluto tayo ng pansit. Kasi tayo lang naman kakain. So, anyway, nagpainit lang pala ako. So, mainit na siya. Pwede rin natin i-off. Anyway, yung pansit, guys, nabili ko sa Lidl. So, tulad nito, pakita ko sa inyo. This balls lang, guys. Like Filipino balls. Yeah, guys. We wait until we eat the dinner. Hi, we're back again. For now, it's early. I will come in my garden. So, I come again there in my plant. Because for now, we're not eating the dinner. In a way, yeah. This is my cat. Bella, where are you going? Huh? Eat there? You see. Come to eat, amore. Do you want to eat? Anyway, guys. This is my dog house. You see. This is my dog house. You see my cat. Ayan, guys. Kakatanim ko lang pala. Ito yung kamatis. Pepperoni. Talong, eggplant, and zucchini other side. So, kapag malaki na sila, guys, ipakita ko sa inyo. Ay, Piyoko! Non bene there! Piyoko! Oh my God! Do you want to kill my plant? This is my dog house. So, I put the, there. Damo. Ginlagay ko sa taas. Kakadry lang niya. Kakadry lang. Do you have, this is olive, guys. Olive. You see? This is our place here in South Italy. We are in South Italy. So very far. This is our where we're living. Our home. Old home. And this is for closing my dog when we go outside. So we need to close because my dog is like also come outside. Bella, come here. Minikwa. My cat's playing there, guys. Anyway, guys, yeah. This is duyan. This is my plant. This is my duyan. And this is my plant, pero wala na siyang flower. Tingnan mo siya, guys. Oh, kailangan ko ng diligan. Ito rin, namatay na yung flower. Ito yung flower na, guys. Ito yung flowers. Pero namatay na siya. Tingnan mo, ang dami sana, guys, no? Ang bilis mamatay. Parang tanga lang siya. Ay, sorry. Tingnan nyo, guys, ano yun? Aloe vera. Tinapon ko lang siya, guys. Ang dami kayang aloe vera, guys. Pinagtatapon ko. Sayang, right? My dog. Anyway, yeah. This is the when we summer, we sitting there. And we have also up second floor, so you can see the view. Ay, where are you going? Ay, view ko, nunto ka, Bella. Nunto ka. Wag mong habulin si Bella. My dog like to. So, ayan, guys. Ayan na yung ating garden. Ito yung nilulutuan ko ng pagkain ng aso ko. Kaya dito ko lang nilalagay kasi ayaw kong ihalo sa loob. Anyway, yeah. You see, guys. Ito naman, guys, dahon ng laurel. I mean, yung ng laurel, anak na. So, ayun. So, ito naman, rosmarino. I think you know rosmarino. So, mabango siya. Nilalagay siya sa karne or kung ano yung niluluto dyan. So, anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Bye, everyone. My dog pasta. She eat first the meats. Then, after that, guys, wala na, hindi na siya kakain. Bye, everyone.